Hey there, it's 14th of August 2021. This day marks 1 year of me making these YouTube videos and becoming a part-time YouTuber. I just can't believe it has been one damn year. Oh my god. Sometimes I am just sitting here and thinking, what if I wouldn't have uploaded the very first video? Because just the same day 1 year back, I was having doubts about uploading the video. Like, why would anybody be interested in watching my videos? And that day I was just like, okay, let's give it a shot. I started it as a hobby. I never thought I would be doing the same thing after 1 year. But here we are after 1 year doing the same thing and also enjoying the process and becoming a better person each day. And this gives me so much joy. Every time I press that upload button gives me so much happiness, and I am so glad I did it. I can never be, I can never contain my emotions about this inside me. I wanted to make this video because it's 1 year I'm making these videos, and I wanted to just reflect on the journey that we have been through, the journey that I have been through from the very start. It's 1 year, 52 videos, and 1,44,000 subscribers later. The past 1 year has been incredible. That I can say those were the best 365 days of my life. I have grown so much as a person. I have grown so much in every aspect of my life, because if I see back now, I was a different person that back then when I was shooting the very first video, and I am a very different person today. I have grown so much. I have learned so much. Now I am a curious person. I want to learn things. I want to learn different concepts, because I want to let you know guys what other things are there to explore. I was just making the channel, and I thought, what can be the name for the channel? I thought maybe exploring dreams, because I have so much in my head. I have so much, like I want to clear UPSC, I want to clear MPSC, maybe any of this exam. And apart from that, I always never want to stop playing sports. So I had that. I wanted to start a YouTube channel. I am a person, I want to do a bunch of things. I have so much to do, and I thought I want to explore the dreams, and that is how the name for the channel came from. I think this was the best decision of my life to make these YouTube videos, and I just want to say one thing to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. I want to make this video just a short and sweet video, just to show my gratitude towards you guys for supporting me. I have a silver button, so I'll just show you guys that. So here I have the silver play button, and I'm going to unbox this for you guys now. And I am so happy because it is less than a year and I already have the play button. So what can be a better journey than this? So before unboxing this, I just want to show you guys the journey till now. So yeah, just watch the journey, and after that we'll unbox the silver play button. Yeah, just go watch that first. This is where my YouTube journey began, right here in front of this mirror, because the front camera of my phone is not that great choice to shoot like this. And this is where everything began 1 year ago. So yeah, this gives so nostalgic feeling. This is my parents' room. Now we have our own room, but before we started here. So yeah, now let's just enjoy the clips from the past. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjum Sheikh, and today's video is going to be a study vlog. So hey guys, we are now a family of 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much everyone that subscribed to our channel. I just can't show my happiness in this video, but really thank you so much. Keep supporting. So yes guys, there is a lot of changes in this video. First of all, as you can see, we have a change in background, and yes guys, you don't have to see the same cupboard with eyes and eyebrows anymore. We have a very good background, and I am loving this so far. And the next massive huge change in this video is that I have a new desk. Oh my god, it is a huge desk. guys are wondering that we had a window here and how come I have a door now. So we have a new room. We have a new room behind this door. So yes guys, this is the current situation of the room. As you guys can see, the walls are just done. We are making this a new room. Before this room, here we were parking our cars. If you have seen my earlier vlogs, you have probably seen that. But now we are changing the parking to a new room. So yes, we are doing that now. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, this is the final look of the room. As you guys can see, it is looking so good. I am loving this. Is the best corner, and as you guys can see here I have another plant, and just aside that plant I have this huge mirror, and the mirror is surrounded by this wallpaper, and this look gorgeous, and you can also see me in the mirror. So yeah. So as guys, I was just sitting here going through my phone, and one of our videos just crossed 1 million views. Like seriously, 1 million. It is such a huge number, and I don't know, yeah. It is the first video that has crossed 1 million views on my channel. Just seeing that 1M under a video that I have created, it feels so good. Oh my god, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum, Sheikh, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. So yes, it's 99,999, and yeah, we hit 1 lakh. Woo! I uploaded the very first video on YouTube on 15th of August, and today when we are hitting 100k subscribers, it's 13th of May. It is less than a year and we hit 100,000 subscribers, and you know, it kind of overwhelms me a lot just thinking that 100,000 people, you know, kind of just press that subscribe button. They like my content, they thought maybe I am providing something valuable to them. So as you can see here, we have a new laptop, we have a new MacBook. As you guys can see, this is the MacBook Air, and oh my god, we have a new laptop. Like, let's just open it. OMG, I don't know, I have goosebumps here. I have goosebumps. I don't know why, but I'll definitely do. So yes guys, as you just saw the journey that we have been through from the very beginning, and here is the result for that. We have the silver play button. Currently the subscribers that we have is 1,44,000, and it is just incredible, and I have uploaded 52 videos in the past 1 year, and here we have the result or the gift for that, and it is just, I'm so goddamn emotional now. But yeah, here when I just opened the box that was sent to me by YouTube, and this is the first international courier that I have received, and that is straight away from the YouTube headquarters, and this is just incredible guys. So here I have a letter from YouTube. Basically it just says congratulations for crossing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and in the spirit of YouTube is proud to present you the silver play button, and they just want to congratulate me for having such a great audience, and I want to thank you guys for this. Oh, yeah, why is this so great? Just I have seen this in every YouTuber's video, and this is every YouTuber's dream to hold this silver play button in their hand. And yeah, this is sometimes you work every day so hard for something, and when you hold that thing now, you have that satisfaction. And now I'm feeling the same way. You guys can see the silver play button, and this is something that you get when you cross 100,000 subscribers, and we did it, guys. We have the play button here, and uh this was one of the dreams that I had to accomplish, to have this. Hopefully, we would have the golden play button soon if you guys will keep supporting me like this. And yeah, thank you so much for all the support. And oh my god, I am just going to hang this up right away on the wall because I want to see this every day. This is something that is going to inspire me every day. This is something that is going to motivate me for the rest of my life to make videos. To this is the support that you guys have sent me all the way from USA, and I'm just like, yeah, this is so good. This is so good, I Shapat. Whew. I think I'm just going to give you a quick close up of this, just a very cute B-rolls for this, and also I'm just going to hang this up right away on the wall. Just see this, yeah, this is such a beauty. This is the result of the hard work. I'll just hang this up now. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So yes guys, I did tell my dad to put few nails on the wall so we can just put the play button right away on the wall. So now my dad has done that. Now I am quickly going to hang this up on the wall because I just want to see the look of my desk once I have this in the background. Ah, excited. So as we have Sania with us. So Sanu, what do you think about the play button? Do you like it?
Yes, I like it so much. It's so good.
Yeah, so this is what she thinks about the play
Yes.
button. So yes guys, as you just saw the video, and I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.